Return S into S into S. Side into side into side will return what? Volume of a cube. You can do math.pow. In that case, the return type would be double because math.pow returns double data type. The second method is for a sphere. By the same name, sphere is working with point, so it will return double volume, and here you need to pass double data for radius. You can give int also, but the return type will be double because 4 by 3 into 3.14. Now return type is, I'm going to write the return statement. Return 4.0 by 3, otherwise it will take only the integer part, into pi value, that is 3.14, into r to the power 3. I can write in short r into r into r. This also I can do instead of doing math.pow. Okay, so here I'm closing the second method. So both the methods, you see, same name, but the parameters are different. And now I'm going to write for the third one. Let us assume this will return integer data type only. Method name will be same, and here I have to pass length, breadth and height, and then return length into breadth into height. So this is the method. Now after this I'm going to write the main method, from where I'm going to call these methods: public static void main string. Okay, main method opens. Now to create an object of this class, so let me copy this to make the work easy. The object name is this, ob is equal to new. So I'm calling the default constructor for creating the object, and then with this object I'm going to call the above methods. So I can write what? Now when you call ob dot volume and you pass an integer, the compiler will understand that you are calling actually this method, integer data, right? So this is this method will be called, and this will return 5 into 5 into 5, that is whatever the result is, to the main method. Now there should be one variable to receive it. So I'm receiving in, suppose ans is equal to this. Now I'm going to print I'm printing the message actually. The first one was for q, right? So I've called this method. The answer is stored in ans. So I'm going to print ans. So this is volume of a cube. Now let me call the second method. That will also return me a value. That will return me a double value, then double data type. So here also I have to take double. D is equal to ob dot volume, and this time you have to pass double data. I'm passing 4.6, right? And then it will print what? Volume of a sphere. So let me copy this and change this word, and my answer is stored here in D. Right, now I'm going to call now the third method, that is this one. So this will also return me an integer. So I'm going to do what? Int x is equal to ob dot volume. See, all the method names are same, but the parameter lists are different. Here I have to pass 3 data for length. This is my length. Breadth is this, and suppose height is 70. These are all integer values. So it will go on 200 will be stored in L, 100 will be stored in B, and 70 will be stored in H. According to that it will return a value, and whatever it returns it will be stored in X. So put a semicolon and then come down to the next line and you print copy paste style dot control C and control V. That is volume of our third one was cuboid, so that is and I stored the result in X. Okay, so this is my main method and this is the class. Let me compile. No syntax error, so close this, run this program. Okay, previously I executed this program, so let me clear it, then run it once more. Run this program once more. So this is actually the output. Volume of a cube is this, volume of a sphere is this, and volume of a cuboid is this. I hope you have understood what is actually function overloading, a method. All the method will be by the same name, but their parameter list will be different. I hope you have understood. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep watching and keep learning. And of course, do subscribe for all my upcoming videos. Thank you so much.